Very good morning, all of you. Yesterday in the class, we learned about one-digit division. Okay. Today we are going to see the large number division. That is two-digit division. Okay. Shall I ask one question before that class? Now I having 100 chocolates. Okay. Just you keep it in your mind. I having 100 chocolates. In our class having 10 girls and 10 boys. Only 20 students are there in our class. Okay. I having chocolates, hundreds. But in our class having only 20 children. Just I am going to give that 100 chocolates to the 20 students. Okay. That should be equally. So each children get how many chocolates? That is the question. Can you say the answer? I having chocolates 100. In our class having 20 children. Okay. Just I am giving the chocolates 100 chocolates to all the children, but it is equally. Okay. So each person how many chocolates will get? That is the question. Okay. Just you think the answer and send the answer to my number. Okay. Now, question is 770 divided by 22. 770 divided by 22. So, as usual method, first we have to write divide and that should be 770. Okay. Divisor should be outside. So, divisor is 22. We know only one digit number tables. Okay. We are reading only the 11th table and 12th table, that is and all two digit number. But we do not know 22nd table. So, we have to make a table ourselves. Just to see, very easy to make that. 122s are 22. Okay. Then just leave the gap little much and write second step. 2 22s are is equal to. Just we have to add and write. Write here smallly here 22. Add and write. 2 plus 2 4. 2 plus 2 4. So 2 22s are 44. Just a little much leave the gap and write third step. 3 22s are is equal to 22. Write here small. Okay. Now we have to add these two only. 4 plus 2 6. 4 plus 2 6. Okay. 66. That is 3 22s are 66. Next. 4 22s are. Write here smallly. Okay. 6 plus 2 8. 6 plus 2 8. Okay. Very carefully how to write. Then 5 22s are. 5 22s are. Write here smallly. Okay. 8 plus 2 10. Regroup 1. Okay. Regroup 1. Just you keep it on the bed. You no need to write here. 8 plus 2 again 10. 10 plus 1 11. 111. Sorry, 110. Okay. Next, 6 22s are. Write here smallly 22. That also should be in the proper place. 0 plus 2 2. 1 plus 2 3. Okay, 1. 132. Next, 7 22s are. 22. Add 2 plus 2 4. 3 plus 2 5 1. Okay. Then 8 22s are. Write here 22. 4 plus 2 6. 5 plus 2 7 1. And just I am stopping up to the 8. Now see here. Just you have to take one digit. In the 1-digit number will not come 2-digit number. In the 7 is there 22? No. So we have to take 2-digit also. What is the 2-digit number? 77. 22. So 77 is there. 22, 44, 66, 88. 88 is more than 77. Okay. Less than 77, 66 is there. How many times? 3 times. Okay. 3 times. I am taking 77. So I am writing here answer in the second number. 3 22s are, what is the answer? 66. After writing this, we have to subtract. Okay. 7 minus 6, 1. 7 minus 6, 1. Okay. We have to take down third number. What is the third number? 0. Now what is this number? 110. Okay. See the answer please. 22, 44, 66, 88. 110 is there. 110 how many times? 5 times. So we have to write here 5 times. 5 22s are 110. Then in the next step we have to subtract. 0, 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. This is the remainder. This is the quotient. Listen once again. 770 we have to write inside the division. Then 22 we have to write in the divisor place. Then 22nd table add and you have to make it. That is 1 22s are 22. Write here small 22. Then add and write in the second step. 2 22s are 44. 3 22s are 66. 4 22s are 88. 5 22s are 110. And 6 22s are 132. 7 22s are 154. Add and have to write. Okay. Then come to the question. 770. First take 1 digit. In the 1 digit number there will not come 2 digit number. That is in the 7 will not be 22. Okay. 7 is less number. So take 2 digit number, that is 77. 77. 77 is there in the answer. No. 22, 44, 66, 88, 110 is there. There is no 77. Less than 77, 66. 66. How many times? 3 times. That is 3 22s are 66. Then subtraction. 7 minus 6, 1. 7 minus 6, 1. When you are doing subtraction, you have to write very carefully. Then we finished only 2 digit. Third digit is there. Third number, what is that third number? 0. Put a arrow mark and then write 0. Now what is this number? 110. 110 is there in the answer. Yes, is there. How many times? 5 times. So 5 22s are 110. Then subtract. We can get this remainder. That is 0 is remainder and 35 is the quotient. Write here quotient and remainder. Quotient is 35. Okay. Then remainder. Write correct spelling for quotient and remainder. Remainder is 0. Okay. Next question is 639 divided by 13. As usual, we have to write dividend and divisor. What is the dividend? 639. This is the divisor 13. Okay, which table need to write in the side? Table 13. So write here 1 13s are 13, 2 13s are 26, 3 13s are 39, 4 13s are 52, 5 13s are 65, 6 13s are 78, 7 13s are 91, 8 13s are 104. Up to the 8 I stop. Okay. Now see 13. We have to take one digit. What is the one digit? 6. 6 is not there in the 13. So we have to take 2 digit. 2 digit what is that? 63. 63. 63 is there in the answer. There is no 63. Less than 63. Less than 63. That is 65 also. More than 63. 52. Less than 63 is 52. 52 how many times? 4 times. So write here 4 times 13s are 52. Then in the next step, how to subtract. 3 minus 2, 1. Then 6 minus 5, 1. Then take next digit. What is that third digit? 9. Now what is this number? 119. I stopped up to 104. So we can write the next step. 9 13s are. Okay. 117. 117. 10 13s are 130. We no need to write 130. Up to the 9th step enough. See here now. Here number is 119. 119 is not there. But less than 119. That is 117. How many times? 9 times. That is 9 times 13s are 117. Okay. Now we have to subtract. 9 minus 7. 2. 1 minus 1. 0. 1 minus 1. 0. There is no next number. So we can stop up to this. This is the remainder. This is quotient. Okay. So quotient answer is quotient 49. Remainder. Remainder is 2. That's all. Okay students. Thank you.